Welcome back, students. So now we will move on to the next content of this play, the Browning version. In the last video module, we have learnt the last dialogue or the discussion about the play Agamemnon by Aeschylus, and indicating towards his book, Tableau said to his master and his teacher, Mr. Frank, that it is a good deal to study science instead of studying this muck, indicating towards his book which he was holding under his arm. Muck means useless, monotonous. That time teacher asked, do you think is it a muck? That time Tableau replied, no sir, the book is very good, pretty good enough. Plot is nice, good plot, where a wife murders her husband. But I mean to say the way it is taught to us, it means he wants to object. His objection is about teaching method, the way it is taught to us. And then Tableau said to Frank, and lot of Greek words are strung together, 50 lines, and it is not easy. Then later on, Frank made the statement, you sound a little bitter, dear Tableau. Who said? Frank said, the teacher. Then Tableau replied, I rather, sir. Then the teacher asked, Captain? Captain means here, what is the meaning captain? It means detained up to school. Have you done something wrong? Tableau, yes sir, for extra work. No sir, I have not kept in or something, but for extra work. Then Frank asked, said, see now, every time as I told you that he tries to encourage him. Who? Frank, the science teacher. Then he asked, extra work on the last day of school? Question mark. Teacher asked, on the last day of school? Tableau said, replied, yes sir, I might be playing golf. I might be playing that game at this time. And you know very well what sort of the man he is, or the teacher. And he is leaving tomorrow for good. But what happened the last week? That I could not attend his class because I was ill. So that is why I could not attend, missed a day. So that is why I am here now. He replied, Tableau. Then once again Frank asked that, but at least still one comfort is there. That what? If you do this extra work, after doing the extra work, that you would get a remove certificate. It means still some comfort is there. This comfort that you would get remove certificate for being this extra work. Teacher said. Then Tableau replied that I am not sure sir whether I would get remove certificate or not. It is applicable to ordinary masters. I can predict about ordinary masters. But Mr. Crocker Harris, he is not an ordinary one like other masters, other teachers. Who said? Tableau said. So now it is true in other masters in their case, but others and other teachers or masters, they wouldn't dare not to give a remove after doing the extra work or giving the extra work. They wouldn't dare. But this man is something different. That sort of rules don't apply the croc. It means, see now, that he uttered his name, pronounced his name single. It means only, he did not say Mr. Crocker Harris. He said only croc. Who? Tableau, the students. What did he say? That sort of rules don't apply the croc. The student said. And yesterday, what happened? Do you know, sir, yesterday what happened? He said to Frank, Tableau, I asked him, what if he had given me a remove? I asked him, and then do you know, sir, what he said to me? Then Frank replied, no, I don't know what he said. Then what did he say? Then Taplow, imitating the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris in a gentle manner, in a that way, just in the form of imitation, imitating his voice, he said, what did he say? That, dear Taplow. Now who is imitating whose voice? Taplow, a student. He imitates the voice of his teacher, that is Mr. Crocker Harris, who is not present there now, or who was not present. And he started speaking, imitating his voice. What did he say, Taplow? In the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris, dear Taplow, I have given you what you exactly deserve, right? Not less and certainly not more. I have given you exactly what you deserve. And I know, sir. And Taplow said, I know, sir, he may have marked me down. Instead of giving more marks or up, doing the extra work, he may have marked me down. I am sure. Who said? Taplow said to Frank, a science teacher. And that man is hardly human. You mark this sentence. Why did he say that? Taplow said that man. That man means which, or the man's? It means Mr. Crocker Harris. He is hardly human. It means he is without emotions. He doesn't have any emotions or the feelings for the students, for the children. He doesn't think about others according to him. Right? So that is why he said that the man is hardly human. He is not emotional or sentimental. So that time, once again, Frank, the teacher, said that I think Frank said, yes, much too far. I think you have gone too far. Too far. So then Taplow said, sorry, sir. It means I got carried away. I got carried away means just I was excited. In that excitement it happened. Then Frank, he was holding the newspaper, opening the newspaper. Once again he asked to Taplow, Taplow, what you said? Dear Taplow, what you said? What did he say, Mr. Crocker Harris, to you? Once again, what he did, Taplow, that he imitates the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris, and once again he made the same statement, that dear Taplow, in the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris, dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve, not less, not more, not certainly more, exactly what you deserve. So in this way, here see now, Frank, a science teacher, that he encourages the student Taplow to speak once again in the voice of Mr. Crocker Harris, to imitate his voice once again. It means he encourages continuously to speak, because he feels jealous about to Mr. Crocker Harris, one teacher to another teacher. So that is why this example we can take here to prove our statement here, right? So this is what we have discussed till so far. Rest of the content that we will continue in the next video module. Thank you, children.